Hey, what's going on, all my crypto hodlers and uh, traders? Hope you're all doing well out there. Welcome back for another stream. We're gonna be checking out Bitcoin on the daily here in a second. Just had its weekly close. We'll check the week first. See how it's looking. It's already red the whole time. Hasn't been able to even go up, but this weekly close did get it out of this cup and handle pattern that it's forming here. It's just above this downward channel. Hope I'm not echoing my music here. It's playing on my speakers for some reason. I think my music's messing up. Alright. So we got our cup and handle. This is a weekly one, but you can see it better on the daily. I'm trying to see if my music's too loud. It ain't even loaded now. No echo, you're good, thank you. So weekly opened and it's already red, going back down to 55k. It was up at 55,900 at its high. It's already coming back down. But if you look at the daily, we got this cup and handle pattern trying to break out of this downward channel here. We had a little descending broadening wedge inside of it that it finally closed out of. Three closes now outside of this broadening wedge and these yellow lines here. So it's looking good from that aspect, but we have to hold above this 55k, the support line here now, and we also have to break out of this parallel channel on the cup and handle. We just need a few closes outside of that and we should be back on our way going up. Hopefully that happens. It keeps getting rejected here. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Hopefully this 6th time it makes it out. Let's check the 4 hour. Same thing, it's just building up right here. Hopefully it doesn't end up like it did back here where it was touching a line and finally sold off, came back down, came back to the midline, went below it. Now we're back up, testing the top of the channel again. 3rd time's a charm, maybe. 1, 2, 3. It was close here but didn't really touch, so 3rd time's hopefully a charm. See what we can do. Cup and handle. We also have some bullish divergence. I don't know why these are here. The bearish divergence didn't do much. I mean, it dropped it 17% or something. 23% to the low to high. Looks like it's going back down. Gonna be coming back into the green on the MACD histogram on the daily. We just need to start closing outside of this parallel channel here. $55, 128, selling off a little bit on the new week here. New week and new day. Ethereum. It actually looks like it could possibly be forming an inverse head and shoulders here. We got one, we got the shoulder. Command drag, that's how you do that. 1, 2, and then possibly another shoulder forming here. If it were to develop, we're looking at like right here. Measured move that would put us back up to 1900 exact on Ethereum if it were to break this head and shoulders, if it were to really develop one. Looks like it is though. So possible head and shoulders on Ethereum on the 4 hour. Trying to make sure my sound. Ethereum. Let's check the date. Okay, having a lot of technical difficulties right now. Sound, and I just got my music finally going. I'm making sure the sounds are right. Yeah, if Bitcoin continues to sell off, Ethereum's going to sell off with it. Well, got some bullish divergence happening. Looks like it's going back to green, but it can easily just as well go back to a dark red. On the histogram, Bitcoin's still selling off, damn. Lowest lows of the day and the week. One coin that took off today is GRT. Look at that. Had a nice head and shoulders on the 4 hour, and we had a measured move from the bottom wick here to here, and look at that, it hit it perfectly pretty much. I mean, look, it doesn't get much better than that. Perfectly hit it. Now we're went back above it, and then now we're back at it again, the measured move. GRT. I think there's some also a news catalyst that helped pump this, but I'm not sure what it was. Almost overbought territory, bouncing off that 70. I believe I got my pattern on this wrong. It should be a I think it's a X, A, B, C, D. No, it's gonna be I think this was the GRT. Man, I'm not sure. Still learning harmonics. They're a very good trading tool to use. I've been seeing a lot of trades that harmonics have been playing out very well. Still learning them. They're not that easy to learn, for me at least. Remembering which Fibonacci's go with which lines. Just gotta look at them a bit more. Let's take a look at Mana, another one that's going crazy today. Pretty sure I have a Mana chart somewhere. I don't know which one it is. Probably Binance. Yeah, a little bit. I think this has another harmonic. Something like that. Either way, I have to look at my harmonics a little bit more, but either way, Mana is back at it again. It's about to be going into price discovery mode. Possibly, you gotta have Bitcoin not sell off. That's always the thing. If Bitcoin don't sell off, then we can get these moves. But Bitcoin does sell off, and you can expect your altcoins to sell off with it. Mana up 20%, I believe it was. 23.62 it closed up. 23.62% on the day. Look at that. Mana. Close ever. $1.25 is was its previous all-time high. $1.24, 124, and 1249. Once it breaks that, it's running. It's gonna be running to what? Let's see. Go from the low here to the high to your lowest point here, which would be this one. So Mana has the potential to hit the 618 or the 786, which would put you at $1.40 to $1.58. And then if you want to go past that to the 1618, we're talking $2.44 on Mana. Another one was Harmony, or One is its ticker. on the day. On the day, I'll delete this, it's old. On the day it closed, look at that. The day it closed up 22% and now it's already up 7%. Wow. Had its highest close ever, which is always a bullish sign. If you're closing at your highest high, it's always bullish. How high can it go? If it were to go to the 618, we're talking 28 cents. The 786 is 32. The 1618 is about 50 cents. So it's got potential to the 2.5x here if it goes up to the 1618. I believe one is, it's like a top 50 coin now or something. Might even be higher than that. That's 52. Harmony. $2 billion market cap. Up 32% on this. I think it's a 24 hours cycle, not a daily cycle at that 8 on UTC. But yeah, Harmony's got potential to 50 cents here. That's what these coins have been doing. It's going to the 1618, just boom. I think we covered all the coins I have on my little cover. GRT, Mana, and One. Yeah. Let's check what Theta's doing now. Theta's back at it. Didn't have its highest close like these other coins, but I had a little Fibonacci from down here, and it's pretty much closing right at that. This one closed at it. This candle. But look, and the 4 hour I had this charted too, little pennant, and now it broke out, and there it goes. We could be seeing $15 soon. We could be seeing the $15 range again soon, and then let's check the fib. We could be headed to 1584, 1734, and then 2476. So Theta. There's a 2618. Let me get that 2618. Take the 1 out. Take the 236 out. I don't really use the 382 either, but I'll keep it. So if we get to the 2618, we're talking $33. It's April's coming, so we all know what that means in the crypto world. If you've been around for the past years, you know what April brings. Some of the most gains out of the entire year come out of April. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see this 2618 on Theta. Well, that might be stretching it, but maybe the 1618. And Theta's a good project. They just got their second patent not too long ago. I'm gonna take this 0.5 out. There we go. Actually, we're about to hit the 382 now on Theta. It's like these NFT coins going for their second rally now. They cooled off for a second, now they're back. Look at that, 7 days at 36%, 15%, 24 hours. Engine, 10%. Mana, 25. My Neighbor Alice, 18. It's like these NFTs are back at it. Hopefully my music's not too loud. Alright, sorry. Tomo, let's see, we haven't checked Tomo in a while. Let's see what it's doing. It almost hit that measured move I had. I don't know what it was for or why it's there. Maybe that's a it's not a previous all-time high. I don't know what that's there for. I don't know what that is. Looks like it's going in a little sideways channel here. Moving in a square. Or a rectangle instead of square. And we have possible. We got some bearish divergence on the MACD histogram. Not that song, sorry. But we also have it's almost like the same low. It's almost like bullish divergence too, because we have this low here with the high big momentum on the MACD, negative momentum, and then you have almost the same with less momentum. Uni struggling to hold that Uni is struggling to hold this support. I believe we broke above it last night. We were like right here on stream or something. Right in this area, somewhere in here. And now we're going back down to test it. Hopefully it holds. Otherwise we're looking at probably this $21.46 range. Take a look at engine, had a double bottom here. Now it's making its way back up. Guess you can almost have done that. Engine, it's making its way back up. These NFTs are just so strong right now. Its high, shit, its high was $3.11. That's nuts. Looks like a W forming. Vid T. Looks like it has a possible rising valleys happening. It could possibly have 3 rising valleys. Whoa. What the hell? 1, 2, and this could be the 3rd. Could take it back to $1.30. Vid T. It bounced perfectly off that 93 cents. Went down to it twice and then closed well above it. 3% above it. 4% almost. Yes, NFTs. Vid T is another NFT coin. They're just, no matter what happens, Bitcoin can go down, and for some reason they just keep going up. Like, even if when they do go down and Bitcoin goes down, they recover that much stronger. Like, they're outperforming big time. Sushi, not looking good. I don't know if this music's good or not. I just got some random playlist on. Sorry if it sucks. Sushi's next support, if it were to keep going down, well, it would be in this area, $13. Might even, I would say, within this range, $12.50 to $13.15. They got those coins being released, like 47 million coins, now worth probably $800 million. The people who are getting them, one company, Harvest, is getting like 5% of the coins, tokens, and they say they're gonna stake them, but who knows what's really gonna happen there. They could sell them all and just crash the price. It would be terrible. Zill came up, made a new all-time high. Came down to about the same area, didn't make a lower low, and it's making its way back up. This is what's it, three. I forgot what the inverse of 3 rising valleys is. But Zilka's looking like it's coming back. ICX has been making moves too. Wow. What was it on the daily yesterday? Wow, almost at the exact same price. High 268, 260. That's to the previous all-time high from back in February. Sold off pretty well. Look at that wick. Same Same thing, but it closed at its highest high ever. Well, on this chart recently, not ever. Because if you come back here, it's got a long way to go basically. If it wants to make new all-time highs. Next stop would be probably this area, 280. A little bit of resistance there. Then we're talking 467. After that, we're talking $9.50. $9 to $9.50. After that, well, you got the previous all-time high at 1320. So that's what Icon, ICX looks like. That's the weekly. It's just grinding up, slow grind up. Slow and steady. Well, not right here. The options on Bitcoin calling for 80k, 5,000 open interest, 5,127 Bitcoin on open interest, which at the price right now of 55,000. So if you do 5500 times, what is it, 5127.7? It's 282 million in open interest on $80,000 Bitcoin and Deribit options. I mean, you even got 2,300 at 120k, so that's the second most, or it was, it still is. Second most open interest is 120k for end of April. That's insane. I mean, people know what April has historically done in the past. Let's take a look at the show what April usually does. Go on the weekly. Look, this is April of 19. A 26% move. This is the 1st of April. 1st of April. It got to a 33% in total market cap in April. And even May to follow that. May even followed up with a 60% gain. But let's go to 2020 April, which I don't know how good that's going to be. Yeah, this is after Corona. Brought in even 40% gains here. Let's check 2018. To the 86% in April. Let's go to 2007. I'm sorry, this music sucks. I don't know how this is going to be. Okay, back to 2017 April. Uh, 100% in April alone. $2016. Only 14% in 2016. 2015. I mean, was not a good year in 2015 either. You can just see it already. 2000. But historically, April is a pretty good month for Bitcoin or crypto in general. I think mainly the alts actually. Yeah, look at that. The alt market cap in April. This is April right here. Beginning and end. 483% for alts. And that was in 2017. Let's check 18 real quick. I'm not going to keep going through them all again. Look at this. April. Look at this. I'll go from the bottom of it. Look at this, 2 team, 133%. I mean, altcoins love April. They love it. 50%. So yeah, if we can get an April like we have historically have, it's going to be a good April if you're holding some alts, even possibly Bitcoin. I mean, for sure Bitcoin too, but these alts really like to pick up here in April. Bitcoin's a new week. Not in any danger. It's, you know, testing this 55K area still. We got this top of the descending broadening wedge as support. We got 55K as support. Hopefully we hold it. I think we will. I even said on my other stream yesterday that we can possibly come down and touch this, which we kind of did here on this 4 hour. We didn't exactly touch it though, so we might actually come down and touch it, and that would be a 54,200. So if we do that and hold it, we're gonna be coming back up to hopefully hit this mark of $71,000. A lot of people are betting on it. 5,100 Bitcoin in open interest right now. Betting on 80K end of April, April 30th. Oh, one I didn't go over today was cheese. Chili's cheese. Nope, not that one. I had a harmonic on this one. I think it's a bat, bearish bat, but either way, it could possibly make its way up to D here at 89 cents before selling off because it's a bearish bat. We'll see how that plays out. Doesn't look like it's going up yet. It's just chilling out at 52 cents. Bitcoin's back above 55.1. We really need to see Bitcoin get up and out of this cup and handle, this handle right here that's formed. We really need to see Bitcoin get out of here and get a few closes above this parallel channel. If we could do that, then we are headed for higher highs, possibly a new all-time high past 61,781, which I need to set a resistance there. But yeah, got a lot of work to get back up there though. Got to break out of this channel, then you got to break past this 57,500 resistance, and then you got 58.3. Just a little zone there, a lot of confluence in that area. If we can do that, we're going to be on our way to higher highs, new all-time high. And if you check the fib from down here, at this low to this high, then you come down to this low, where does the fib tell us we're going? 786 would be 65K. The 1618 would be 81K, 80,500. Would I pull that off there? Let's go off that one. That would put us at 75K for the 1618. Yeah, I like that a lot better. I like that pull a lot better. A lot of shit going on my screen right now. But this measured move right here is from the cup and handle. If we were to take that from the low there to here, and if we possibly broke out, it would put us at about 70K. The $15,000 400 move. $15,400 move. Data's still going. Look at this. Broke out of that pennant and it's just been going up. Most likely we're going to be seeing $15 soon, and then 1580, 1740, and then we're going to go to $24.76. These NFTs are just killing it. There ain't no stopping them. ETH might have the head and shoulders on the 4 hour. Pay attention to that. Measured move would put it back at 1900, but there's a lot of resistance in this $1,800 area. Yeah, it's got to get through that previous neckline, which is 1750 of the inverse head and shoulder, or normal head and shoulder. This is the inverse, sorry. But I think I'm going to call it a night. Watch for Bitcoin to break out of this cup and handle, because it's going to be putting us, getting ready to go towards new higher highs. Possibly $71,000 is the measured move target that I have. So I hope you all enjoyed the stream, and if you're watching after, please like and subscribe. I'm going to try and do as many videos as I can. I'm going to try and get a new mic, try to get all my audio issues fixed. I got music playing. I don't know if it's good music or not. I got to get a better playlist. But I hope you enjoy it. If you want to see any coins ever, if you're in the stream, just ask in the chat, and I'll send it in the chat, and I'll do my best to give you some TA on it. But until next time,